Hi everyone! In this session, we'll practice how to design a typical pie chart slide that's more intuitive and aesthetically refined by incorporating 3D icons. Let's open the attached practice file. In the first step, we'll create a pie chart using shape insertion. The current pie chart was created using PowerPoint's chart insertion feature linked with an Excel sheet, but it has significant design limitations. So we'll recreate the pie chart using shape insertion. In the Insert Shape section, select a partial circle and draw it to an appropriate size while holding the Shift key. Then drag the yellow vertex within the shape to create pie slice segments for each category. Once one is complete, use Ctrl-D to duplicate and create the remaining pie slice segments. For now, assign a distinct color to each duplicated pie chart piece to differentiate them. Now that we've created all the pie chart segments, we'll adjust their sizes based on percentages. Starting with the largest segment as the reference, we'll reduce the size of each subsequent segment by 10% progressively. Select the second largest pie slice and go to Shape Options, Size and Properties. Size options. Set both scale height and scale width to 90%. We'll progressively reduce each pie slice's proportional size by 10% in this manner. Next, we'll create a circular opening in the center of the pie chart. First, I'll insert a perfect circle. After determining its approximate size, I'll create 4 more using Ctrl-D. Each of these circles will be used to subtract a portion from the corresponding pie chart segment, creating a donut chart effect. Then, select all 5 circular shapes and 5 pie chart segments and align them centrally using Align Objects Center and Middle. Now we'll delete the overlapping parts of the circular shapes within each pie chart segment. To make this easier, activate the Selection pane. First, select the partial circle, then while holding the Control key, select one oval circle. Choose Subtract from the Merge Shapes options, which will delete the oval shape portion from the pie chart shape. We'll repeat this process for the remaining pie chart shapes. We've now created a pie chart with more intuitively distinguishable segment proportions. Next, we'll assign colors to each pie chart segment. We'll use a gradient color inspired by the background's orange and green, creating a sense of depth. First, select the largest pie chart segment and apply a gradient color. Choose Linear Type and keep only 2 gradient stops. Using the eyedropper tool, sample the orange from the background and lighten 1 gradient stop's orange. Adjust the angle to darken the bottom of the pie slice, and finally set a shadow effect to appear at the slice's bottom. For the next pie chart segment, sample the green color from the background and apply the same settings. Once the green pie is complete, use Ctrl-Shift-C to copy formatting, then Ctrl-Shift-V to paste it to the opposite pie chart segment. We'll set the final pie chart segment to gray. Next, we'll add categories and percentages as text to the pie chart. We'll also adjust the font size of the percentages according to the pie slice sizes. First, I'll add outerwear and 30% to the largest pie chart segment. Then, I'll duplicate it using Ctrl-D. Change the category name and percentage and reduce the font size by pressing Ctrl and opening square bracket after selecting the percentage. We'll continue adding category names and percentages to the remaining pie chart segments in this manner. By varying the font size of the percentage numbers, we can make the proportions of each pie chart segment even more intuitive. Now, for the final step, we'll add icons to the pie chart. Icons are a fast and intuitive way to convey information, while also serving as eye-catching element. Additionally, they can also define a visual identity. When selecting icon designs, we must essentially check if they meet two criteria. First and foremost, they should align well with the message being conveyed. For example, an icon of a jacket would suit the outerwear category, but a t-shirt might not. Secondly, the icons should maintain a consistent visual style. For instance, mixing minimalist icons with complex ones, or combining icons with no lines and thick lines, would create a disjointed appearance and be inappropriate to use together. There are several ways to use icons in PowerPoint that meet these two criteria. First, PowerPoint itself has built-in icons. When you select Insert from the top menu, you'll find an icon insertion menu in the Illustrations section. Clicking this activates a stock image search window with various types of images. Besides icons, this includes stock images, stickers, videos, and illustrations. This stock image insertion feature is available in the Microsoft 365 version. Let's search for fashion to find an appropriate icon for outerwear. You can see fashion-related icons appearing in the search results. I'll select and insert an icon suitable for outerwear. The advantage of PowerPoint's native icons is that they are editable. In the format graphic, you can edit various aspects of the icon, such as its color, lines, or shadows. However, sometimes PowerPoint's native icons may not match the slide content well or lack options. In such cases, you can use websites that offer free icons. The first icon website I'll introduce is Google Fonts. When you access the Google Fonts site, you'll find an Icons option in the left menu. Clicking this reveals a wide variety of icons. The advantage of Google Fonts icons is their extensive categories and highly minimalist design with clear design consistency, making them suitable for slides on almost any topic. Additionally, you can adjust the stroke thickness or symbol weight and download them as SVG files to further customize colors in your slide. Beyond this, stock image sites like Flaticon, FreePic, and Icon Finder also offer diverse free icons. The benefit of these stock sites is their wide range of styles and categories. Particularly, using 3D icons can elevate the design quality of your slide while expressing a unique design style. These 3D icons can be found on sites beyond those mentioned, such as 3D Icons, Figma Community, and Icon Scout, which offer various high-quality 3D icons. However, as mentioned earlier, design consistency is crucial when using icons. When selecting icons from stock sites, it's important to ensure the icon's designs are consistent. Moreover, even free icons often come with usage conditions that require attribution. Therefore, in this session, we'll create 3D icons using a method that covers unique design style, design consistency, and licensing, by using Generative AI to create our own 3D icons. We'll be using Adobe Firefly for this. The method is similar to what we practiced in the previous image chapter. First, create or find a design reference for 3D icons, then use this style reference to create icons with different content. We'll start by using an orange heart symbol on a black background as our style reference image. You can freely search for any image on the web for this purpose, as we are only referencing the style and will not use the actual image in the work. The style reference image should be as simple in shape as possible. This helps the new image generation process by primarily referencing the design style of the reference image while creating the shape you specify in the prompt. Also, a clear boundary between the background and image as shown makes background removal easier. Access the Adobe Firefly homepage and enter the text-to-image workspace. Set the model to the latest version, turn fast mode on, and choose your desired aspect ratio. I'll set it to 3:4 to match the icon's proportions. Set content type to auto, upload the style reference image, and maximize visual intensity and strength to generate an image as close to the reference style as possible. Use the default settings for other options and input the first prompt from the attached notepad file. This will generate a high-quality icon image of a jacket. I'll upscale and download the one I like best. Using the same method, I'll input prompts 2, 3, and 4 from the notepad to generate images of sneakers, backpacks, and socks. Once all images are generated, you'll need to insert them into the slide and remove the black background. You can simply use Remove Background in picture format. However, sometimes the background doesn't get deleted as cleanly as expected. In such cases, you can access the Adobe Express Remove Background website and upload the image for a cleaner background removal. I've now added the remaining icons to complete the pie chart slide. Compared to standard PowerPoint slides, this one is much more intuitive and design refined. High-quality slide designs like this significantly enhance the viewer's trust and make the message more persuasive. For the final part of this session, I'll show you how to easily control colors when creating icons with generative AI. First, insert the style reference image into the slide, then go to Picture Format, Color, More Variations, More Colors. In the Custom Color window, specify your desired color to change the style reference image's color. I'll set it to purple. Now that the style reference image has changed to purple, right-click and save it as a picture file. Using this image as a style reference in Adobe Firefly, you'll see the image generated in purple. By creating icons directly in Adobe Firefly, you can not only make precisely shaped icons you want, but also develop a unique slide design style. Once you're comfortable with this method, you'll find it much faster and higher quality than using free icons from stock sites. Moreover, these 3D icons have high resolution and image detail, making them suitable for impactful, eye-catching images that can be enlarged. Therefore, collecting various style reference images can significantly help improve work speed, design quality, and the ability to create diverse design styles. That concludes this session. See you in the next one. Thank you.